If you're trying to turn on the flashlight on your iPhone, but it's not working or it's super dim, especially if you just recently updated your iOS operating system, I'm going to walk you through steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing we'll do is turn on your flashlight by swiping down from the top right. And there you can see it's flashlight. So I can tap on it. And the new kind of layout of it is this flashlight icon here. I can take my finger and drag it down, and you'll see that it dims that flashlight all the way down to nothing. And then I can take my finger and push it up, essentially to increase the brightness. Now you can also see if I swipe over to the right, it will make it more broad. And if I swipe over to the left, it will make it more narrow. Now, this is essentially how you use the new flashlight, but let's say it's not working for you. Let me turn this off. The next thing I would recommend doing is a foolproof way to turn your flashlight on is to open up the camera. So I'm going to open up the camera here and switch to video. And now at the very top left, you'll see that flash icon. I want to tap on that so that flash is available. Essentially, it's turned on. But now I need to make the camera as dark as possible. So I'm going to hit record after the iPhone is on the screen here. And you'll be able to see it starts to increase with the flash. So it should, if I have my phone on here, it should turn the flash on. Now, if you go through this process and it turns your flash on, the physical flash itself, while recording, there's not a physical issue with your flash. There's just a software issue with it. If that is the case, then go into your settings here. And then once you're in your settings, you're going to tap on General here, midway down. And then all we're going to do is scroll down to the very bottom and hit shutdown. This sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and then turning it back on fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your iPhone. So just shut it down and reboot it. If that doesn't fix it, is sometimes if we go back to the very beginning of here, sometimes the culprit is your low power mode. So you can see battery here midway down, tap on battery. And if low power mode is turned on, and especially if you have under 20%, like say 10% of battery life left, it might limit the functionality of your flashlight because this uses up a lot of power on your phone to run the flashlight for a long time. So make sure to turn low power mode off. And if you need to, charge your phone to the latest or to the fullest amount. Now let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, let's tap on General and Software Update. Update to the latest version. There are bugs and glitches on your iPhone, especially associated with that flashlight. So update it to the latest version. You can see it's currently iOS 18.5, and that should fix your issue.